In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow to your shape in Canva. First, open the project you're working on. Instead of grabbing a basic shape from the Elements tab, we're going to use an app inside Canva. This is important because image effects, including shadows, only apply to images. Shapes added directly from Elements don't expose those image effect settings, which is why the shadows option won't appear for them. Look to the left sidebar and open the Apps section. In the search bar, type Vector Illustrator and open it. This tool lets you create vector-style shapes that Canva treats like images, so you'll have full access to image effects afterward. Inside Vector Illustrator, choose a shape to start with. If you want more options, click See All to browse the full set. Before you bring it into your project, feel free to set the color. You'll see the color controls below. Pick a fill that fits your design. This is a great time to match your brand colors or adjust contrast, so the shadow you'll add later stands out. Once your shape looks right, click Add to Design. The shape will drop onto your canvas. Click on it to select it, then click Edit. Depending on your view, this may appear as Edit Image or simply Edit, but it will open the editing panel. In the editing panel, look for shadows. Open it and you'll see several styles you can apply: glow, drop, outline, curved page, lift, angled, and backdrop. Choose the one that best fits your design. For a classic look, drop gives you a directional shadow. Lift adds a soft elevation feel. Glow creates a halo around the shape, which can work nicely on dark backgrounds. Outline defines edges with a shadow-like rim. Curved page and angled simulate realistic light shifts, and backdrop can create a subtle stage behind your object. After picking a style, fine-tune it. Adjust settings like size, blur, transparency, offset, angle, and color if available. A small increase in blur softens harsh edges, while lowering transparency keeps the effect subtle and professional. If your background is dark, try a lighter shadow color or a glow. On light backgrounds, a darker shadow usually reads better. Resize your shape to check how the shadow scales and toggle the shadow on and off to compare. When you're happy, click away from the panel to apply the effect. You can duplicate the shape to reuse the same shadow across your design for consistency. That's it. Your shape now has a polished, editable shadow using Canva's image effects.